Hey guys, so today we're going to make coconut candy with these two coconuts. If you don't know how to crack coconut, you just have to put inside the oven. The shells will come up easily. Yes. So after peeling your coconut, you wash it, and the next step is to grate this coconut. So I got my grater and I was grating it. At first this one was making me comfortable, but the work was slow, so I decided to change to my local grater, which is very comfortable and makes work fast and easy for me. So after grating it, the next step is to cook this. So after grating it, you pour into your pot, and into your pot you add water. The water should be slightly above the coconut, and for each coconut we use 100 grams of sugar. We used 2 coconuts, so I added 200 grams of sugar, and we cook until it's golden brown and sugar is fully caramelized and it's looking like this. And after, you spread it on a tray and allow to cool. To know your coconut is done cooking, you must make sure that it is sticky to touch. You touch it and roll it in your hand, and if it's not sticky, it means you have to cook it for some minutes again. You add more water, and if possible you add a little bit of sugar so that it can caramelize properly and give you the golden brown color and the sticky texture you're looking for. You spread properly like this so that it can cool before you refrigerate to prepare for rolling. I touched it like this to check the sticky texture, and it was to my satisfaction, so I spread it more. Then I take it into my fridge and allow it to cool for a few minutes there. After, I brought it out and it was ready to roll. My coconut candy was almost ready, and I started rolling to different shapes. I prefer to roll this way, but if you have any other way you can roll your coconut, you can create any different shapes of your choice. But I prefer to roll like this, it's just easier for me. After rolling, to get a very crunchy taste, you should put it back into the refrigerator to cool for a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.